What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hey, if you're new here, please click that like, that subscribe, and don't forget to bang that bell notification. This way you get notified every time I upload a video. Well, today we're at Black Hills Harley Davidson. That's right, we're at Black Hills Harley Davidson pre-Sturgis party, or pre-Sturgis rally. To be honest with you, we are here. It is the 1st of August. The rally starts on the 7th, but we're here early. But the vendors are here. They're open. Not all of them, but most of them are here and open, ready to get some work done. Right now, I'm getting some work done on my 26 CVOST from Rickrack. And what they're doing, they're installing fog lights on the crash bar and bag lights from Custom Dynamics. The fog lights are not Custom Dynamics. They don't have those, but I'll show you what they have that I'm getting. Okay, these are what I'm getting from Vision X in the white. Wow, that's kind of bright. Let's do that again. That's exactly what I'm getting. I was thinking these, but this is twice the luminous than that, so I went with this because I'm looking at getting as much light on the bike as I can. Mel's looking at wheels. What do you think, honey?
Red.
Yeah, I do like the Lindell brakes on it. I do like the wheel.
Do you have Lindell?
We used to on our last road glide, but we will eventually.
Do the red.
Okay, we'll take a look at the red. So let me ask you, your first time out here in the Black Hills, what do you think?
It's cool. The rides are beautiful, definitely.
The rides are great. The scenery's amazing.
The scenery, yeah.
Can't beat it. But Mel wants to show me the red.
But I don't know if it had the same issue with the fading.
Yeah.
Because it looks cool, but is it going to turn pink?
Yeah, but you know what? I like the wheels that are on our bike from Harley Davidson. They did a really nice job with those.
Yeah, they did, but I'm just saying, these are cool too, but you don't know if they're UV protected.
Yep. We can always ask. And you know what? I'm thinking about getting our wheels powder coated red next year. What do you think about that?
Okay.
Something to do over the winter.
Yeah, at least powder coat doesn't hurt.
Yep. So look at these floorboards. These are nice, but I like the rubber isolations myself.
Yeah, like you lost the rubber in the other one. I don't know how you make it stay. Zip tie?
No, I'm not going to zip tie it. That's kind of cheap. I'll just leave the rubbers off of the highway pegs. That's all. But Rickrack is here, guys. You don't want to miss out with Rickrack. They're doing great things out here. As always, they have Figurati designs in stock. They got headlights in stock. They have Custom Dynamics in stock. They have trash. They have all sorts of stuff in stock that'll take care of you. And I'm going to see if I can get somebody on from Rickrack, and I'm going to show you guys the bike. I can tell you guys I have those dipsticks on my bike, and I have a 26 CVOST, and the drain plugs on those for the motor trans are plastic because it's a plastic oil pan, and with that there's no magnets.
Right.
So at my 1K service I installed one of these with the magnets, and it collects all the metal, that shavings that happen through normal wear. And if you have abnormal wear, you'll find out there's actually 5 magnets inside of here.
Yeah.
You got the 4 here and the 1 in the center.
You're happy with it.
Very happy with it. The only thing I recommend, and I was just going to tell everybody, Rickrack has these in stock. If you do get a Figurati oil filter, get yourself a second filter. This way you're not waiting 24 hours after you clean yours to go ride. That's my only thing. But Figurati has them in stock. They're here at Black Hills Harley Davidson. Alright guys, they are done. They look good. I'm happy that I'm going to have some more light on the road. I got my bag blades. I got to get the key. I want to make sure they're sequential like I wanted. And we're going to check out the lighting. I had this done too. This is from Rickrack. It's a nice little piece added to the bike. But let's take a look at the turn signals. They're on, believe it or not. It's just the sun is killing it. They are sequential. I like that. And look how bright those are. Nice and bright. I'm digging it. I'm loving it. What do you guys think? You tell me. I think it's a great upgrade for the bike that helps out. All right, everybody, we're going to be moving along to different things today, and they got a bikini wash going on right now. But I don't want to be a creeper and show the girls. But we're here, guys. Come on down. If you've never been to Sturgis, you guys got to make the pilgrimage. Come out to Sturgis for their bike week, or if you come pre-bike week like I am, it's so much better for riding because there's not 500,000 bikes running around. All right, we'll see you on the road. All right, so now we've left Black Hills, Harley Davidson. Now we're going to make our way to this town called Nemo. It's kind of a twisty back road, mountainous kind of way to go. And of course, we got Dr. J with us, Big Mike 135, and behind me is riding on 3 Tennessee. So we're going to have a great time, and I want you to come along with us. Okay, we're on Nemo, and of course, while we found Nemo, now we're looking for Dory. So somewhere along this route, there's going to be Dory in here. So hopefully you guys can find Dory. I will put Dory in there. She'll be in there somewhere. So let me know at what time that you saw Dory. But all kidding aside, this is Nemo. We're coming down the mountain. It's beautiful scenery, very beautiful scenery. I just cannot get enough of these South Dakota roads. Yes, this is my second installment of riding throughout Sturgis, South Dakota. Totally amazing. I mean, look at these rocks. Look at the trees, the hills, the mountains. I mean, Black Hills in South Dakota never make you want more, or never make you sit there and say, wow, I wish I saw this, or I wish I saw that. There is so much to see and experience while in the Black Hills. It's absolutely beautiful. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing all this. This is beautiful out here. I really enjoyed it. Nemo was awesome. Hey, if you haven't done so already, please click that like, that subscribe, and don't forget to bang that bell notification. This way you get notified every time I upload a video.